Welcome back to our home audio, smart tech, and premium sound showcase. Today, we are stepping away from massive concert venue rigs and stepping straight into the living room to look at a sleek, intelligent piece of home audio engineering. The Denon Home 200 is a premium wireless smart speaker designed to fill your home with stunning stereo performance and immersive 3D Dolby Atmos music. It is highly valuable to clear up a common misconception about wireless home speakers right out of the gate. Many consumers look at compact smart speakers and assume they only play basic, flat mono audio. Denon completely disrupts this expectation by packing a true multi-driver stereo array inside this single refined housing. Rather than forcing you to buy two separate speakers just to hear left and right instrument separation, the Home 200 uses angled internal transducers and a specialized passive bass radiator to throw a remarkably wide, spacious acoustic soundstage all by itself. The primary engineering and acoustic triumph of the Home 200 centers entirely on its native spatial processing and its high-resolution wireless streaming architecture. By integrating a dedicated 3D Dolby Atmos decoder, this speaker processes spatial metadata from streaming platforms like Apple Music and Amazon Music. It utilizes advanced digital phase alignment to bounce frequencies off your walls, virtualizing distinct height and width channels to put you right in the center of the recording studio. This pristine audio path is managed by Denon's signature HEOS built-in Multiroom operating system. Unlike standard Bluetooth connections that compress your music files and choke out fine details, the HEOS Wi-Fi network streams uncompressed, studio-grade high-resolution audio files up to 192 kHz at 24 bits, ensuring you hear every breath, acoustic string vibration, and subtle bass sweep exactly as the artist intended. But what truly cements the Denon Home 200 as an elite addition to a modern smart home is its seamless user experience and ecosystem flexibility. Wrapped in a beautiful, charcoal-colored acoustic cloth fabric, the speaker blends flawlessly into any kitchen counter, bookshelf, or nightstand. Look at the top panel, and you will find an elegant, hidden proximity sensing interface. The capacitive touch controls remain completely invisible until your hand approaches the speaker, at which point they instantly light up to let you adjust volume, skip tracks, or access quick-launch internet radio presets. On the back connectivity plate, you get total integration freedom featuring Apple AirPlay 2, standard Bluetooth, a high-speed hardwired Ethernet jack, an analog AUX in, and a USB port for playing music off local hard drives. It even works flawlessly alongside Denon AV receivers and soundbars to act as a wireless surround speaker zone. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below.